Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Snapchat account. First of all, launch your Snapchat app in your mobile device. After that, in the top left corner, there's your profile icon. Select that. And when you reach your profile in the top right corner, we can see the settings icon. Tap on the settings and scroll a bit down until you find the support option. Under the support, select I need help. Over here, what you have to do is tap on the search Snapstrix or my AI on the top. Simply tap on the search and he'll be getting a lot of option that says delete my account. Tap on the delete my account. Over here, to deactivate or delete your Snapchat account on Android, tap on this first option, but if you want to delete it in your iOS, then select the second option. Tap on the Snapchat accounts portal. And over here, you need to log into your Snapchat, type down your username and select next. And you are also required with your password. Type down your password. And after you're done with the password, tap on the next. And what you have to do is you are also required to enter the code. So simply copy the code and go back and enter the code and select next. And over here you'll be getting into this interface. Scroll a bit down and here we can see the delete my account. Tap on the delete my account. So you're again required to type down your password, select continue, and this is it. This is how you can delete your account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.